Guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the Lego modded the deep nether, which you can barely find in any Lego store. If you find it, it's really hard to build. So this set also includes Herobrine. Now let's get into it. First, I'm gonna show you how to build the deep wither skeleton. First, you need to put on his legs with his chest, then put on his arms, and then put on his diamond chest plate, and then put on his head. Now it's not finished yet. Now you need to give it his twins in wither swords. Now he's ready to rumble. Now next I'm gonna tell you who the master of the Herobrine, how to make him. First, get his pants and fit his chest on it, then fit his head. Now you would think it's simple, but not that much, because he has an enchanted diamond sword and an enchanted diamond pickaxe. Now next I'm gonna show you this whole map. First, we can go to the deep nether as throne. This is the throne where Herobrine shall sit. After that, this is a Minecraft block. I told you na, this is modded. So this is the Herobrine DNA. Then we have the library. Here it's a potion library. Here they brew potions, and there's a scared wolf, and there's a pole there too, and that marks that there was a structure here which got broken. Next we have the Nether Island, which we can find in normal Minecraft at the lava zones. Here the wither skeletons, you cannot find the wither skeletons. You can find many blazes and pigments in that there. And I've put in two O's here, the golden O and the quartz O. Next, we're gonna move on to the nether bridge part. You can get many sets of Minecraft and connect these all bridges and make a whole nether castle. This is a place where the wither skeleton sits, and it moves. The place moves, and it also has a lava trap, a fireball. In Minecraft, modded Minecraft, you can get falling magma in it. And next, there's another trap in it. I'll just move it around it. Wait, this is the one. Look, this is some gravel, and these are two mushrooms which handle two strings. And then if we do this and put this here, and then the trap's ready to rumble. Now you can put back all the gravel onto it really easily. Then we also have a blaze gun, where we can put a blaze and make it look like the blaze is shooting fireballs. It's a really rare construction. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. So I will see you in the next video.